This is going to be the next project. I was going to make it longer than this. The pictures aren't quite long enough. Now we're going to start just by cutting it and then gluing it down. I'm going to let that dry, and after it's dry we can start working on it. So I've taken a Sharpie and I've outlined all the main areas to make it a little easier for carving. Usual, I'm using my foot pedal to wen my router. There's the bit in there, and I'm going to set the depth and start cutting. So here's what I've done so far. I've basically just done inside trim. Super long process as this one's been, and it's not that deep. So I've done a lot of the routing now. What I've discovered is my router bit is pretty dull, so areas like this right here are all kind of rough. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change my router bit, and I'm going to reroute a bunch of this. I painted a lot of this black so I can kind of see the lines to work with. Here's the old bit. You can see the tip of it has chipped away. I'm getting ready for my primer coat. I did a bunch of sanding. Just some patches are a bit messy, but I don't care too much. I'm just going to do it anyways. This is the primer I use. I'm just going to put a coat of primer on it. This is pretty easy to apply. Not much to it. Just try to get in all the areas. I do have a smaller detail brush for getting in the small areas. Now the coat of primer's on. Now I'm going to just do the first coat of brown on Wile Coyote. This is the brush I'm going to use here. Usually this paint requires about 3 coats before it sets. I'm going to do the eyes here. I mix some yellow and brown together. Now we're going to the third coat. Now I got a bunch of these features done. Now what we're going to do is the tan section of Wile Coyote. I created this from mixing white with brown and yellow. To get this blue, his body blue there, I mixed white with peacock blue, and it wasn't good enough, so then I mixed in yellow. Now we're going to start the background. We're going to do the sky part first. There's a color I'm going to use. I mixed white with brown and yellow to create that. This project so far, I've really enjoyed using this brush. It's kind of nice to get into all the small spots. I did an outline of the background, so I'm going to paint the background, then I'm going to fill in all the picture of the background. I'm gonna make it green now to be pretty light. All right, now we're gonna start with the green. A lot of it is kind of detail. I've chopped up this brush to do slight details. Now we're gonna do the cactus and the clouds. This is the color I've mixed. It's the combination of red, brown, yellow, and white. Now we're just gonna use this and do the cactus. Here's where we're at. I've done the cactus and the clouds. This area is done. The background's all done now. So next step is I'm going to take the black out. This is where the project is really going to start looking good. What I kind of do is dab in spots like that, and then I'll just kind of follow the line. Just the dabs here, and then just kind of run the line.